This app takes your road trips to the next level. Just select a GPX file of your choice and have it converted to actual navigation guidance. Now let's take a closer look at this. What are GPX files even? A GPX file contains waypoints in a machine-readable format. These waypoints can be coordinates of restaurants, clubs, hotels, or any other interesting points. It could even be the coordinates of a road with, for example, a special lake view or something like that. These files are shared by others on the internet everywhere. Love camping and road trips? Try freeontour.com. Love riding motorcycles in Europe? Try motorvibes.de. Or just search for GPX files on Google. You will find plenty of people who share their best road trip experiences and secret spots online as a GPX file. And once you have such a GPX file with all those interesting waypoints, go download this app called GPX To Maps Converter. You will find the link in the video description below. Then simply select the GPX file that you have just downloaded and click Convert Now. Here you will get a short preview of your route, and if you want, you can start the navigation instantly. One thing to note, if you have just a small GPX file, then this app also allows you to convert it for use with Google Maps, as you can see here. But apparently Google Maps only allows up to 10 waypoints when navigating. This is why for larger GPX files you see the navigation built in the app. So be sure to check out this app called GPX To Maps Converter from the link in the description before planning your next road trip, or you might miss out on the best spots.